You are watching Learn with Rushika. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn the letter R and the word that starts with letter R. So let's get started. This is capital letter R and the sound is R. R. And this is small letter R and the sound is R. R. R for rabbit. R, r, rabbit. R for rose. R, r, rose. R for rainbow. R, r, rainbow. R for rocket. R, r, rocket. R for rat. R, r, rat. R for robot. R, r, robot. R for rock. R, r, rock. R for rice. R, r, rice. R for rain. R, r, rain. R for river. R, r, river. R for ribbon. R, r, ribbon. R for red. R, r, red. R for rectangle. R, r, rectangle. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.